Hello, my name's Adam. I'm here today with Professional Builder magazine and we are demonstrating the Clipacore diamond core bit drill sets and the very special safety innovative feature that it has. Right, let's have a look what they've sent us, and we'll start with the Electrician's kit. As you can see, it's got 3 different sizes of diamond core bits and the innovative Clipacore safety system. Let's open it up and have a look. Let's see what we've got. And if you buy this Electrician's kit, you get, ooh, something looks rather sexy. 3 different sizes. You've got 152mm, your 12mm and your 42mm. Now, electrician or not, those 3 sizes are basically all you need, certainly all I need, as a general builder point of view, to do all the holes ready for electricians and the plumbers so they can get on with their job that they're paid to do. And today's job is for the plumber. We're going to be using this 42mm. I've got a waste pipe hole to drill out through the garage, through both skins of masonry, ready for the plumber to fit the waste. As I said earlier, we're going to be using a 42mm bit and we're going to assemble it now, ready for use. And this is where the Clipacore system really comes into its own. We have our drill, and this is straight out of the box as we've opened it. Our chosen bit with a Clipacore clip. Done. That is ready to go. You've just seen me set it all up, so quick, so easy, straight out the box, which is the great selling point of Clipacore. The other selling points will come into action after we've cut the hole, so we'll go into that a little bit later on. But for now, we're going to get the tool into operation and drill that through the house. We might be wondering, why does this need to exist? Well, it's one of those, if you know, you know. If you've ever done this before without the Clipacore system, the drill bit screws on to the drill that you're using. By the nature of the operation then, it tightens up. So then how do you get the bit off? You've got a spanner on the one side of the drill bit, you've got another spanner on the other side of the drill, and you're trying to get it off, of course, by drilling. It's got hot as well, so the metal's expanded. It becomes a bit of a nightmare, and it becomes a dangerous one as well, because this was born out of the fact that the inventor broke his hand trying to do just that. Now, I can see exactly how he's done it. Trying to wrench them off from one another, then you get another like extension bar on the other thing. You can slip your hand on something, easily break something, but with this, it is just so easy, even brand new, out the box. So the metal is very tight, and there you go, and it's done. Still got my hands, I can still work, I can still move on and do other jobs. It's a fantastic idea, so simple, so easy, so safe. So amongst other features of the Clipacore is the knockout tool. Let's just show you what that is. Again, going back to if you know, you know, if you use this before, you've core drilled a hole and a debris can get stuck in the actual bit itself. You end up hitting it with a hammer, knock it on the floor, trying to get it out. It's a no-no. Clipacore have come up with the knocking out tool. If anything is jammed in the core itself, that goes through the end, and then that can be knocked out, taking the debris straight out with it. That's a great feature. Which is a great kit, isn't it? But what happens if you've already got the drill and you've already got the bits? You're all right, you can buy the Clipacore adapters for the kit that you've already got, making your life a lot safer. Right then, my final thoughts on this kit. From a general builder point of view, it's got everything I need to help me get the trades in, out as quickly as possible. So they're just doing the job that they're paid to do. These 3 sizes are perfect. I love how quick you can change the blades and just how safe it all is as well. We've all been there, I've said it a few times, but we've all done it, but them days are now gone. I think it's ace. Clipacore, it's a great system, isn't it? If you like what you see in this video, the link to their website is in the description to this video, so go over there. They do all the stuff as well, really innovative, safe stuff. Please subscribe to the Professional Builder magazine YouTube channel, where you'll find loads of other reviews and loads more coming up as well. Thank you for watching.